Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. We have a box. It's a plain box. It says 2-pack battery for Insta360 X3. Okay, box 1, we have a battery. The tabs here. They don't show any red if it's not clicking. There's one. This would be the same thing. Then we have this here, this charging brick. Has 3 bays. So you can charge up to 3 batteries at a time. It looks like you can use micro USB or focus that. Very blurry. There you go. So USB-C and micro. Nothing much around it. Here's the battery. Just stick it in. Doesn't lock in or anything. There's a simple snap in. And then we have a USB-C cable. Yeah. USB-A to C. Alright. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.